Hi there everybody, this is Lorraine from Paper Ferns. Today I thought I'd do another page, or two pages, in my art journal. I put an elastic here because it doesn't lie kind of flat, and I'll move that eventually. But I've picked stuff, different papers and things, and I was thinking of doing kind of like a flower theme. I'm going to use papers from this is from my faux jelly plates. I did one jelly plate with a big Ziploc bag, and I just did another one with a silicone. It's kind of like a silicone mat. I did another video. So I'm going to use some of the pieces. I just cut them all up. I just tore the pieces up. This is me practicing my dendritic technique. Well, it's not my technique, but trying it. Anyway, I thought you might like to come on my, spend some time with me and then watch me cover up my journal page. So I thought, this is from an old envelope, like from Christmas there. It's even got my name on it. So I'm just going to put this down. I'm just going to kind of, grab stuff, put it down, and then just see how it goes. I have some brighter colors, which might be great because it's a dreary day today. It's a bit grey outside. We didn't get any snow for Christmas. And we're not getting any sun right now. Hopefully it will change. Okay, so I'm just going to put that there. So I'm just going to kind of put stuff down and just add things, whatever, I grab, sort of thing. I must say I do like glittery stuff. This kind of glittery stuff on there. Is the paint I use. Has a little bit of a shimmer. I just seem to love shimmer and stuff. Now I'll take this. And I'm also going to try, I got some paint sticks from the Dollarama. They were like $4 Canadian. And they're not, they're washable. But what I'm going to do is I'll put glue over it so it doesn't smudge. My papers are flying away here. Okay, let's see a bit of this. So I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do some more. Okay, so I think it's almost dry. So what I'm going to do is I've got some paint here, white paint, and I'm going to fill in some spaces that I feel are, I don't know, it's just a bit busy. So I'm going to try to go around. Okay, so this has to dry. I'm gonna let this dry, and the paint was definitely old. It's all crumpled up here. I just figured, like, I use really cheap acrylic paints, like Dollarama stuff. I was just thinking that maybe if I kept doing stuff like this, that maybe eventually I'll improve. Because I obviously don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just putting stuff down, and I like doing artwork. I'm not an artist, obviously, but I thought that, you know, if I keep practicing, maybe by this time next year, maybe I can look at something and go, oh, there's a bit of improvement. So, so I'm going to let this fully dry, and then I'll come back. Okay, so it's pretty well dry. It's not really great through here. The paint's really old. I didn't want to put another layer on. So I'm going to try to fill in it another way. And I also wanted to try to use my Dollarama paint sticks, see how they are, and give them a try, give them a test. Oh, they're not bad. These are quite nice for $4. I like the fact they've got a bit of shimmer to them. Oh yeah. Okay. Now what I want you to do is this is actually a fabric brush. Let's see if it works. I wanted to do something. No, it's a bit dried out. Too bad. I'm using this stuff called Tri Art Interferent Violet. I've had it for quite some time. It's acrylic polymer emulsion. Just seems to be smudging the ink. The paint, should I say. No. Okay. Okay, so this is what I have. I wish I had a different pen. It would have been a lot finer pen that would work. So I know it's not art. It's me doing my journal, and I'm hoping, like I said, that maybe in time I could improve on stuff and get some better, finer pens. I'd like to get some finer pens. But if you got this far, thank you for following along, and I just want to say take care and bye.